Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, represented by Midwest Talent. I'm 6 feet tall and not a local Tucson hire, living and working out of Los Angeles, California. Thanks so much. That's enough. Let's go.
Fuck you, Mark, Mr. fucking big man. You don't tell me what to do. I want another drink.
Please? Can we go now? Please?
You can go. I'm not done.
I'm serious. Blair,
Get your fucking hands off me.
you're a nightmare. It's time to fucking go. Now.
Sounds like she's not ready to leave. At least not with you.
Bro, you have no fucking clue what's going on here.
That may be true, but I do know you should probably go. I'll take it from here.
You know what? Enjoy yourselves. Huh? She's all yours. Fuck you.